Hi, there was something wrong with the recording, so it basically didn't record. So I'm gonna do everything again because I promised you. I'm gonna cover everything again, which I covered on the live recording, live update. Now, yeah, the golden support zone is the one that is now being revisited for the fifth time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The break of the red bear flag was clearly the one that pushed it down. What we have here is the next support as the red bottom band, which is around 3,900. What was that? 3,980-ish. So we'll see if it gets there. I would be holding my breath for for it to start of a major rally. Okay, that's what I would be watching for. And Dow Jones had broken the golden support. The top band is here. The red bottom band together with the green is the potential double support right there. And that level is 31,350 on the futures. And you can see the break of the golden support is just happened. So I would expect some bounce off the golden bottom band, sorry, the black bottom band, come back for a back test on the golden and then come down. So that's, depending on how fast this happens, the date for the double support is very tight. It's 7th of May. So today is the 1st of May. So it has about, by the end of the week, it has to bounce off that level. So we'll see how that works out. Nasdaq has come down after the break of the red bear flag. So just first bear with me. I'm going to show the long-term view. Okay, yeah. This red support, that internal support. Okay, this is where, this is April 2020. And we had a few lows here and then broken, back tested. So 2 back tests. And then we broke that small bear flag, which we shorted. And now this green bottom band, which has 3 touches. So the top band is this. Okay. And the bottom band is that one. So I think the green bottom band will be broken. And the blue bottom band is the next major potential support. And that level is going to be 12,240, around that level. The Nasdaq is going to, I would again hold my breath for a major run and break out of the blue bull flag eventually. But we'll see how this plays out. I'm only watching the price. I don't care about anything else. So if we see some action here, some bullish action to break this green resistance later on and the golden bull channel, then that would turn into a very bullish scenario. The weakest link is obviously RTY, which is Russell futures. And it's breaking this red support, which held at the previous touch on Thursday. 1, 2, 3. Excuse me. It bounced and it came down. So you can see this red support is holding, but barely. This golden one we can delete. It's not really a channel. And the break of the green support was the reason why we sold off. This red support, once it breaks, I think the next potential support is at 1700. That's how I see it. 1700 level, yeah. FTSE has tested this blue support rail many times before. During the war on Ukraine, it broke it. Then back tested right here, rallied after the break, and then back tested again. You can see here This blue support zone is extremely accurate and extremely effective. So if it can be broken again, I think it's going to come to 7,000, where there is a small gap for a gap fill. DAX, it has to break the purple resistance. I'm going to delete the black one. Okay. So the purple resistance is the line in the sand. Okay. The first. And the second one is the green. So until or unless they break, there will be no upside. If it can break the green support one more time, you can see here, this was broken, back tested, and broken back up and back tested. So this zone is, if it's broken, then the golden channel, which is a bear flag, okay, if its bottom band breaks, then I think there will be one more waterfall. So we'll look at commodities. Oil, I think there's two levels for oil. 115, 114, 115, which is the green and blue potential targets and potential resistance levels. If it gets there, I would be very inclined to short it to target 91.90, which is the gap fill here, and the green and golden support there. So 91.90 would be a very nice target if 114, 117, sorry, 114, 115 resistance, potential resistance holds to send it all the way down. So I'm going to show you the natgas here. I'm going to show you first the long term. Okay, I can't show you long term just yet. Okay, please disregard all these lines. Okay, I'm going to come to those. What's more important here is the black top band, okay, as a potential target and as a potential resistance. This is the bottom band, and that level is at 970, 950, 970, which is also marked by the purple top band, and which I'll show is the red and golden. So they're all pointing at 950, 970. The back test of the green broken resistance held at 940, which I showed in last week's free weekend video, exactly here, and it was also the bottom band of the red channel. So I'm going to show you that red one. This is the 4-hourly now, came a bit more closer to the action. So this red bottom band, the red top band, so that I think unless this red bottom band breaks, we're going to see another push towards that golden and purple top band. So the purple channel is a speculative one. Yeah, as simple as that. So the bottom band here, the top band there. So this is 2020. So long term, the purple top band points at something around 950. The golden top band points exactly also right there around 950. So it depends on how it gets there, of course. And the red, the golden, the purple, okay? So 950 to 970 is where I think it's going to reverse big time. Gold, the blue support held, and the red channel was broken to the upside, and it came down for a backtest of the blue support rail. We bought it at the break, and I closed it with $20 because that's what metals do. They go up and then come down quite quickly. They don't really trend. Even after such a rally, they failed to trend. They kept on crashing, coming down. If this blue support breaks, the next level, which is going to be a major, I think in my view, is going to be 1810, 1815, which is the purple and green, and then rally big time. And of course this blue channel is, this blue channel is a mega bull flag, right? 1, 2, 3 touches, 1, 2 touches here. That is a mega bull flag from August 2020. Silver is the most disappointing one. And the reason is this green, golden, and blue supports are all broken. Yeah, I thought the green backtest was going to hold, or at least the blue support is going to hold, but it's not really. So I reckon silver is looking very bad, and it may revisit the purple bottom band before it pushes higher again. It is a shame. It is very, very disappointing for me, but it is what it is. Okay, and Forex, let's have a look at Euro. Right here, that golden top band, golden bottom band, and it's here as a bull flag. I may argue this is the post of the flag itself. Okay, very, very speculative, obviously. If it bounces off this level and rallies to the red and then finally breaks out, that would look very, very bullish. But so far, I'm not really convinced, okay, that the bottom is in. And pound sterling has come down quite a bit after the break of the green support. And the red bottom band is, the red channel is entirely speculative. And the red bottom band held, and we'll see if this blue top band holds, if it gets there. But it may really go like this, revisit that red, and then rally, which is why I'm not very fond of selling US dollar right now. Not yet. The blue channel was broken, that bear flag, and back tested, and it came down. And the green channel is a potential bull flag. So the next level is 64.10. If it bounces off that level, we're going to see a major run. But so far, there is no bullish action by Kiwi. And Aussie dollar, this here, that blue mega channel, okay, was broken. Was broken, back tested 3 times, and then got to there. So this blue top band makes it on its own as a small bull flag. You can see here there's a tiny bull flag compared to the big one, of course. This is from 2012-11. So the only way this can turn to bullish would be by breaking that blue top band. This golden support zone is the line in the sand. So if it breaks, I think it may really get back into the blue broken channel one more time. So it has to be watched very carefully. Aussie is at a very critical level, and US dollar index, that blue top band is at 104-ish, and the green channel has to be broken to the downside. It's not really even a channel yet, in my view. Has to come down, maybe bounce, and then break. That would be a channel breakdown. There was a small gap at 103 from April 2020. That was filled this week, so which explains maybe a little bit reaction, a little bit downwards move of US dollar. And obviously that blue resistance is at 104.15. So if it gets tested, I would expect some more action from there. It is speculative resistance, obviously, but the last 2 touches has caused a major reversal. Okay, that 104, it looks like it is an important level. All right. Bitcoin blue bear flag is going to be broken to the downside, I believe, and the green bottom band is at 31,500, and that's where I think it will start a major run, especially if this golden channel also holds. Okay, Ethereum had broken this golden bear flag inside the red bear flag. So that red bear flag, maybe we see a bounce off its bottom band at 2,600-ish. Big bounce, and then come down, big downwards move to test that blue bottom band for the 3rd time before it rallies again. And of course the golden bottom band together with the blue, that would be an amazing double support if Ethereum gets to that level. Zcash has formed this black bull flag, so it has to get to that 230 to break it. Luna is quite strong, but it has to break out of the blue bull flag for more upside. So it's showing relative strength, obviously. The red support are holding. The red support is holding. Sandbox is terrible. And the reason is this green channel is broken and the golden support is broken. I warned the members so many times. Once and if they break, that's going to cause a major downwards move. So this golden resistance held, and this golden, it's a triangle that is broken to the downside, which is very bearish. Cardano is testing this golden support, and it's still inside this blue bull flag potential. Okay, we'll see. I mean, the only way this can turn bearish would be by breaking that blue channel to the upside. Matic looking terrible because this black support was broken and back tested, and then now the green support, which was tested 5 times, is now broken as well. The blue bottom band is at 70 cents, and that's where it's headed, and that would be a potential major support. Let's have a look at Solana. This is a green bull flag. The green channel is a bull flag, and we'll see if that one can be broken eventually, but it's showing relative strength, let's put it that way, compared to the others. Monero is coming down for a backtest on the red broken wedge, and it's going to be around 170, and after that I expect more upside. Ripple looks very bad after breaking the green support. Obviously there may be one more backtest on the blue broken mega channel, and if it does hold, we'll see more upside. And Chile's not really good. It may have more downside. I'm not a big fan because this blue channel is broken. Tezos is at a very critical level. The golden bottom band together with the green, they have to hold, and it should bounce, but I don't think it's happening. So, and the red channel's breakout with the bull flags breakout failed miserably. That's why we have to delete this. And the next level, if it breaks that golden support, or if fails to break, fails to bounce, then it would be it would target the red bottom band minimum. PYR had broken this red bear flag to the downside, which I had warned many times about it, and you can see it's now coming down. Wilder is the worst one because the golden bottom band is broken to the downside, and Shiba Inu had broken this green support, which I warned about, and the next green support held so far, which with a damage, but I wouldn't keep my hopes too high really. It's not looking good. And Dogecoin, the golden resistance levels, the green has to be broken, especially the golden one, which has 4 touches. It has to be broken at 16 cents for a major rally. AVAX, very bad because the red support is broken, and the black bull flag, which was broken and back tested twice, or 3 times, 1, 2, 3 back tests. Now it's failed miserably. Now this is going to go very bad. I believe the next level where it can find some bounce, find some support, is going to be the black bottom band, which is around 42, 41. Phantom, bad because I'll show you. So I mentioned about this. Okay, this was a double support, that green and golden. You can see that golden resistance resistance, broken, back tested. This is the second back test, and it was back testing it again. So the green and golden, that was the double support. I said if this breaks, then there's going to be much more downside, and especially if the red bottom band is holding so far. You can see if that one breaks too, then the next potential support is going to be the blue bottom band, which is way down. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoy it. All the best. Bye.